It's Children's Day, and like previous years, it has come with celebrations and focus on the need to invest and protect children for national development. This push comes at a time of a pandemic which has threatened the gains made on this stride. Children are also calling for the full implementation of the Child's Right Act. The Child's Right Act is a law that guarantees the rights of all children in the country. Helen Osamide-Akins reports.
Children's Day is annually observed in Nigeria on May 27th with a public holiday for primary and secondary school children. The day is normally used to raise awareness on the issues that affect children and helps them appreciate that they are the future of society. About 42% of the Nigerian population are children, and over 10 million of them are out of school for different reasons. With the downturn of the economy, children have increasingly become targets for kidnappers. The first lockdown at the peak of the outbreak of COVID-19 in Nigeria also gave room for increased violence against children. In spite of all these issues, it is surprising that there are state governments yet to provide maximum protection for children in their domains by domesticating the Child's Right Act. This year's celebration is another opportunity to push these state governments to fully implement the Child's Right Act.
Our leaders should stop paying lip service to the Child's Right Act. On behalf of the entire Nigerian children, I request and plead with our leaders to ensure full implementation of the provision of the Child Right Act.
We need cameras, scores, and someone at the gate to screen the people coming to the school, because we don't know their intention. They might bring some dangerous gadgets in their body. Why won't we know?
The federal government expressed concerns over the recurring adoption of children from schools and pledges its commitment to continue to safeguarding the welfare and well-being of the Nigerian child.
I therefore appeal to all state governors to fast-track the process to ensure that perpetrators are brought to book to serve as a deterrent to others.
I also call on state governments and security agencies to rededicate themselves to the project of the Safe Schools Declaration to protect children from attacks and ensure that their education suffers no setback.
Although the celebration of the day was devoid of its usual parades organized by government and schools due to COVID-19 outbreak, it was celebrated with cultural participation, dances and award presentations. Stand up for the champion. The theme of this year's celebration, effect of COVID-19 pandemic on the total well-being of the Nigerian child, the way forward, finds its relevance in the COVID-19 crisis, which has resulted in child rights crisis. Helen Osamide-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.